Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what you need to do to focus and get enough nerve to go in there and just canvas to get your first contract with the government. First, I want you to do is think of a small little local government office that you may have completely passed by. Go by there and ask them what is their next event, when is something that you can do with networking, whether it's called industry days. But the goal, like I said in my last couple of videos, is to get it in face of the buyers. Well, I want you to do more. I want you to focus on something that may be close by to you. Now, if you are close to a military base, oh my God, you are so fortunate. But if you're not, no worries. Find an area where you're close to. Make sure that you get in faces of the people that make the decisions. And also, constantly look for networking events in your area so that you don't miss out. It's so important, especially if you're trying to achieve your first contract, to go all in. And one of the things I want you to do is focus on sources sought. When you go to sam.gov, I want you to focus on sources sought. That is one of the best ways to get into doing government cleaning contract, is to focus on that. Send all your information, because guess what? They will usually contact you when they do a sources sought. It's not a solicitation. They're looking for sources, a source that you can easily be. So make sure you look for events. Look out for doing local events. Look out for some events you may need to do a little traveling, and definitely look out for sources sought on sam.gov. Now, if you want to find out more on what you can do right now, right this minute, then click the link to actually join me for how to win your first contract or how to scale your business using government cleaning contracts. That's right. I'd love to see you. Inviting you to my masterclass is absolutely free, where I go over everything you need to do step by step with the goal of when you complete this masterclass, you will know all the steps, have them all put together on what you need to do to actually win your first government cleaning contract. So all you need to do now is click the link to register, and I look forward to seeing you. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.